Hi guys, it's Maria from Vegas for my wedding. Let's talk about something that most of my international couples have never heard of, the apostille. Most of the couples, they don't ask about it because they don't know it exists. I'm usually the one who brings it up during the planning process. So if you're getting married in Las Vegas and your country ends up requiring one, here's how you actually order it through the Nevada Secretary of State's office. After your ceremony, your official files your signed license with Clark County, so you don't have to do anything at this point. That's the document the Secretary of State will need to attach the apostille to. Once you receive that certified copy in the mail, visit the Nevada Secretary of State's website. The standard processing time is 6 to 8 weeks, but they have expedited services available too. From here, click on Apostille Certification Order Form, PDF. You'll fill out the apostille request form, include your original certified certificate, and mail it to the Carson City office along with the completed request form, a check or money order for the processing fee, which is currently around $20 per document, and a self-addressed return envelope so they can mail it back to you. And that's it. Once it comes back, you'll have the marriage certificate with the apostille, and your marriage will officially be recognized in your country. Now, if you don't want to deal with this on your own, the officiant who officiated the ceremony or the venue you guys booked through will help you with this process. Of course, it's gonna be a little bit extra. If you are one of my couples, I can help handle this part for you. Just ask and I'll walk you through step by step. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't miss out that bell notification. What was it? Was it like that?